This is an alumni profile of Michael Grant, a senior associate at Ravenstone, Altman and Ofner, LLP. Michael joined the firm 4 years ago and now advises a wide range of clients on information technology, communications, privacy, spam and intellectual property law, representing them in contentious matters in court. He is currently undertaking a Masters of E-Law at Monash University. Michael, what does your work at Ravenstone involve?
I advise on legal issues relating to information technology, negotiate and draft agreements, and I litigate cases in court. It's an extremely wide range of work, drafting software license agreements to advising on privacy and spam law to resolving disputes about copyright ownership.
What does a standard day at the office involve?
There isn't really a standard day, because the work depends on what the clients need. But I usually spend most of the day reviewing documents, drafting agreements, meeting with clients and, of course, answering emails. Supervising junior lawyers is also an important part of most days.
What's the most difficult decision you've had to make in your career?
Changing firms. At the beginning of my career, I worked at a small firm specializing in patent law. I spent much of my time reading and analyzing scientific technical documents to determine in what ways an invention was new and innovative. I drafted and submitted patent applications to secure patents for the inventor. I also had to write patent drafts, which are incredibly detailed descriptions of the inventions in precise legal terms. They form the basis for the patents that are granted by the Patent Office.
Sounds interesting.
It was interesting, although at times extremely difficult and demanding. But I quickly realized that what I liked best was working closely with the other lawyers on litigation, defending or enforcing patents. I also particularly liked advising clients. Working with people was more exciting than doing all that research alone. I finally made the difficult decision to switch to another firm. But it was definitely the right decision.
What is the most enjoyable aspect of your job?
I enjoy being in the courtroom, litigating a case and bringing it to a satisfactory conclusion. And strangely enough, I also enjoy drafting contracts. There's something about the challenge of taking a complex commercial transaction and expressing it clearly and concisely that really appeals to me.
What is the most stressful or difficult aspect of your job?
Clients often require us to meet tight deadlines. Like buses, several always come at once. But because the work we do is usually based around transactions or court appearances, the high-stress periods typically only last for a few weeks before things start to return to normal.